got some slides on what we shouldn't. Now, again, there is a whole swath of literature on accuracy, reporting, horrible image analysis, pipelines. What's in the picture? This is the famous one from JCB. But here's some examples of bad things. These are all published in different reports and things. What is that trying to say? You know, the graph here. It's in here, the last one. The graph here is way too complicated. You can't even tell the color of the lines. Here, it's really hard to see some of the color differences. There's redundant things like finding out a list of the colors here, but it's only one. And this last one over here is a XKCD comment, but it makes a really good important point, which is that in the context here, it's saying that there's like, these are population densities, these are people who subscribe to this, and people who work for a certain type of pornography. It's all the same because it's just normalized for population. So if you over-normalize the data, you just smooth, and it kind of doesn't always be competitive. So be careful with what you're doing and how you're kind of showing that. We all have to do Western blots as much as we don't like doing them. Here's some examples of things that you can't do, except the kind needs the same control. Two different representative things. You can't enhance or delete bands. You can't duplicate bands. This is a famous picture where these cells have been added to the field of view. So the composite image is being presented. This is from like that 2006 paper. Most journals have tools that automatically blow out the signal and look for this differences in background. So it's definitely not allowed to do that kind of thing. You certainly as well can't artificially enhance certain regions of the image. So here we've had some gold labeled EM, and the gold particles here have been kind of artificially darkened to make it more obvious. While that might seem kind of innocent, it's not allowed. You can't just increase certain parts, make that end. You're not allowed duplicate regions of things. I know this might be obvious, but they get caught quite often. Elizabeth Dick is a kind of forensic image analyst and often tweets stuff, and you can see in these two plots like the same stuff is used. There's just a slightly different density in the middle here. Likewise, there's resized and kind of reused same region to make it. Yeah, totally. It does happen at UQ. So this is from Peter Crippen, which is the top. Not Peter Crippen. Was caught, but he was part of the ethics group at the time, and gave me these slides. But the UQ research doesn't work here anymore. But you can see in this Western blot, they've gone in and used the eraser tool to rub out a band. This was a histology section, and that's what was presented. So they kind of artificially made it or fixed all the horrible tears from the section by reusing stuff. So this stuff does get caught, so you don't want to risk your hard-earned PhD and honours projects by doing image interpretation.